It's life-changing. Of course it is. I'm Cornelius McGrath. I'm 21. This visual impairment happened to me 4 years ago. I guess a sort of a circle of blindness in the centre, so about 20 to 30%.
Leber's Hereditary Optic Neuropathy. LHON is a condition that's classed as rare and ultra rare. Essentially, one day an individual has no problem with their vision, and the next day they may notice that something fundamentally wrong with their central vision in one eye. The condition, however, is particularly cruel because it then begins to affect the other eye. It leads to a very profound central loss of vision, totally fundamentally changing everything about that person's life.
I just joined a new school. I just had my first term there, sixth form, taking my A-levels. The first question, I think, can it be stopped, is very natural.
It's the question that we're addressing. Why do people lose their vision, and how can we understand it in order to cure it? My name's Marcela Votruba, and I'm a clinician-scientist. My work has focused on the retinal ganglion cell, which is the cell that's damaged in LHON. The research that we're doing in the laboratory has focused on one particularly fascinating question, which is that a small percentage of patients do have some recovery of vision. And this has always been a real mystery because we can't understand how it would be possible. It suggests that if we could tap into that spontaneous recovery, we might be able to enhance recovery in every patient if we could understand what we could do to intervene. The current 3-year project grant from Fight for Sight is really fundamental in funding the work we do in the retinal ganglion cells in the dish. My hopes for this particular disease, LHON, are that we finally start to understand how we can actually change mitochondrial function. I think that the amazing thing about Fight for Sight is that it's tried to develop an extremely strong portfolio across the whole of vision, really anything from the genetics through to the epidemiology of vision loss. For example, to understand the impact of sight loss on function as well as on psychological and mental well-being.
Becoming vision impaired can sort of ruin where you're going or hurt your aspirations, and you can still get there, but if we're able to prevent it, or research can aid vision impairment, then that's sort of the main thing.
Fight for Sight.
Save sight,
Change lives.
www.fightforsight.org.uk/thank you.